Ever wondered why that quiet girl in your class always seems to giggle at your lame science puns? Or why your shy coworker jumps at chances to collaborate with you? Understanding the attraction signals of an introverted lady can seem impossible when she barely talks. But pay close attention, and her nonverbal communication will speak volumes. We'll walk you through the top 10 tells an introverted girl is crushing hard, even if she doesn't say a peep. Number 1, she laughs or smiles frequently around you. An introverted girl may feel too nervous to contribute much to conversations verbally, so she will signal her comfort level through nonverbal cues like frequent laughing and smiling. Notice if she laughs politely at other people's remarks but seems to find everything you say hilarious. Number 2, she makes strong eye contact. For mysterious introverts, the eyes can speak what the mouth does not. An introverted lady who locks eyes with you consistently is often secretly hoping you'll notice her gaze and decode her interest. Shy crushes tend to convey their true feelings through expression over words. Number 3, she asks a lot of questions about you. An introvert afraid to discuss themselves will instead ask question after question about you and your interests. This is partly to learn more about this man they are intrigued by, but also to stroke your ego so you feel impressive around them and potentially reciprocate interest. Number 4, she grazes your arm while talking. Arm grazing seems like an innocuous gesture, but is often a subtle hint of a shy woman's romantic longing for your touch. Notice if she engages in frequent lower arm grazing while you are chatting or joking around. This type of accidental physical contact is a silent signal she craves more intimacy. Number 5, she texts you back instantly. An introverted girl who feels comfortable with someone will drop her guard via text long before vocal conversations. Notice if she gives one-word replies or delayed responses to mutual friends over text. But with you, she instantly texts paragraphs at all hours. That contrast means you occupy prime emotional real estate in her mind. Number 6, she buys you small custom gifts. Introverts love gift giving to those closest to them. Notice if you are the recipient of baked goods aligned with your favorite flavors or trinkets reflecting inside jokes between you two. This type of personalized gift-giving is a shy girl's way of signaling special treatment through action versus flirty banter. Number 7, she sits or stands next to you in groups. An introverted girl's positioning habits subtly hint whether you make her nervous or comforted. If she gravitates toward you at every group hangout, it's because she feels self-conscious around most people, but has come to trust the warmth your presence provides. Number 8, she gets territorial around other women. Even introverts have a jealous streak within when crushing hard, but those territorial feelings boil silently versus being vocalized. Pay attention for subtle digs when you talk fondly of another woman, or abrupt silence instead of her usual laughing. Both point toward envy. Number 9, she asks you to hang solo. Mustering the courage to ask their crush one-on-one requires Olympic-level bravery for an introvert. So if she ever casually invites you for solo dinner or study sessions, she's likely dreamed up the scenario 10,000 times in her mind before vocalizing it. Say yes and watch how conversation flows naturally once the group pressure is lifted. Number 10, she says yes if you ask her out directly. Rather than play guessing games trying to decode her smoke signals, save time by asking her on a legit date directly. Say there's no pressure since you value her friendship either way. If her eyes perk up and she smiles while saying yes, you have your answer that her feelings mirror yours, no translation needed. Have any funny stories trying to decode signals from a shy girl? Share them below. If we missed any weirdly specific introvert attraction signs, sound off in the comments.